Your word is gibberish.
Gibberish. Gibberish. Gibberish.
What up, Buzz fam? We back with another Beers Bars video. I'm Casey.
It's Court.
Oh, this is how rap sounds to a non-English speaker. Happy April Fool's Day.
Yeah, happy April Fools, y'all.
Got Daniel Tracker on the track.
Yeah, that's what we about to see. You know what kind of bars like Daniel Tracker got right
We're
there.
going to see what kind of gibberish we got up in here.
Or if it's funny as hell, too. Hey,
Yeah.
like we got to see that right there. So let's see what's
You guys
good.
know how we do on April Fool's Day.
Yeah.
You got to come correct with something funny or something, something clever.
Something.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Gibberish. Gibberish. Gibberish.
That is correct.
Your word is Igawala.
I go Walla.
What?
Igawala!
Can I get the language of origin, please? Can you use it in a sentence, please?
Sure.
Okay. What about she style? Slippy, a glippy, flippity chop, flippity clap, flop.
So this is what it sounds like to non-English speakers when we be spitting raps over here.
Slippy, a glippy, flippity chop, flippity clap, flop a cop a chippity wop, blippity slop, a drop a cop a chippity cop, coppity plop, pop a sock a boppity slop, bloppity glop, a blippy, a power show, a power shiki, a gower shabba, how much him at the gower, to baby gower, how much give it in gower, I go walla wah, how much you with the gower show, to be the walla.
That's pretty.
It's I mean, it's like crazy, like how he's like putting all of the words like
non-words.
together.
But I guess it's kind of similar to like when we listen to like a foreign rap,
Yeah.
right? And we don't know what they're saying at all. And it's like the beat knocking, the flow dope.
But it's like scope with the course with the yeah.
I don't know what you just said, but I'm gonna pretend like I did.
Yeah, but I'm like, yeah.
That's dope.
Scrippy gappa, gippy, the shippy gappa, do whippy, gippy, flippy gappa, choppa, to whippy gappa, to skippy gappa, gippy, tappa, gappa, to flippy gappa, to whippy gappa, shoppa, to.
Look at the choreograph coming in.
Whippy.
And they're flippy and dippy. Yeah. Oh hell no! And this dude's face, like, what even is this?
Yeah.
Gappa, to skippy gappa, gippy, tappa, gappa, to flippy gappa, to whippy gappa, shoppa, to whip up a ditty with a bottle of. Dripping on a nibbin, wanna gibbin, with a jibbin, name a lame, a goggle, lame, not a mirror, gripping it all, carrying it all, scare a barrel it all, bunky lee, bunky do, scabby,
Man, this would have been popping in like what, like 2000?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I know.
It reminds me of like a what's his name? T-Pain song coming in here, like the auto-tune voice coming in after like some dope beat.
Yeah. Scabba-dee, scabba-da. What? Scabba-da-ba-da-da.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you got it.
Skibbity bobbity stoppity wee, comedy yee, como se llama te amo a mí, lackety dee, sackety see, lackety backety rackety ree, Pamela, Damela, Namela, Scamela,
I like that they added MTV, so it's like one thing that they know. like, oh, I didn't understand that.
Like, yeah, you'll hear all that stuff on MTV. Everything.
Like, I understood MTV. He's doing like Kanye's glasses, like the You know, like those funny glasses that you be wearing back in the day.
Slapper with Flango Bajigan. When you first supple on a ream strap, dread you Metherwater Gubby? Dread you Metherwater Gubby?
What are you saying?
I can do that.
Okay.
Where's my kid?
Where's my kid?
Skip it, wop, skip it, do.
That's hilarious, dude.
Skip it, wop.
That's super dope.
Yeah.
Buzz fam, happy April Fool's Day.
Yeah.
Putting us on to some more hilarious things.
Yeah.
I hope that they didn't waste this beat though, because that beat was slapping.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to put some real verses on
Yeah.
there. I want to hear it.
Yeah.
Because I can see Lil Wayne going dumb on that thing.
Gotcha.
You know what I mean? All right, let us know if Daniel's got anything else we should be checking out, and we'll see you on the next one.
Peace.
Peace.